Today we are going to prepare the Parippu and the Pazham Pradaman. My name is Vinay and I am the corporate chef for CGH Earth Experience Hotels. Parippu is the split green lentil and Pazham means the bananas. So for that we would need the split green lentil, which we are going to soak it and we are going to pre-cook it. So now we have that. We have the pre-cooked lentil, we have the chopped bananas ready. We are going to take a dollop of ghee. Then we're going to put one part of the split lentil that is cooked, saute it a little. We're going to add the bananas, give it a nice stir, add some water to it and let the lentil cook with the bananas. Now if we see, our lentil is almost ready, it's cooked. We give it a nice stir and then I've got some jaggery. I'm going to add some jaggery into this. We have the jaggery blending in well. Jaggery is a byproduct of the sugarcane juice, which is cooked and it is reduced. There is no refining of that done. We are going to add a ladle of banana paste. This lentil and the banana paste together will give it such a nice blend, nice flavors. It is consistently mixed in together. Before we take off the fire, we are going to add coconut milk into it. We mix it up. Take it off the fire, move it on the side. Because of the heat, it continues to cook. In the meantime, we're going to temper some dry fruits and dry coconut and add it into the pradaman to finish it off with nice flavor. We will again use little bit of ghee. We add desiccated coconut. We had coconut slivers. Give it a nice stir. So the coconut is getting nice and brown. I'm going to add the cashew nut inside and the raisins. A little bit of black sesame seed to give it a nice Kerala flavor. I'm going to just add a little bit of cardamom powder and the dry ginger. Mix it up and I'm going to pour the tempered mixture over the payasam. Give it a nice mix and here you go. You have the payasam ready.